Yo, what is up, guys? Today we have a very quick tutorial on how to make your Galaxy Watch 4 feel much faster when opening apps, so you can open apps very quickly. Let's say like this. You see how quickly that opened? Animations are barely there. So here's how you guys do it. First thing you guys want to do is go into settings. Once you go into settings, you want to go all the way to About Watch. Go to software and then click software version a bunch of times until you open developer mode. Once you turn on developer mode, you will have this new option right here at the bottom of the settings. Scroll up a little bit, and then this is where you'll be able to make the watch faster. So once you're here, you just want to scroll down until you see window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. So normally it's set to 1, so it would be not too fast. But if you just move it down to 0.5, you saw how slow that animation was? If you move it to 0.5, everything will be much faster. And if you turn off animations, everything will be instant. As you guys can see, everything's super instant now. Now, go home and everything is super fast. See? And that is it. That's how you guys make your Galaxy Watch 4 much faster. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe